Did you know that eagles are the fastest birds in the sky? Did you know? Did you or do you? Well, do you know kapan sih teman-teman kita bisa pakai do you know atau did you know? Hi LCers, back again here with me, Dave. And here we go again. So for today everyone, I want to share some fact about, did you know that eagles are the fastest birds in the sky? Did you know? Did you or do you? Well, do you know kapan sih teman-teman kita bisa pakai do you know atau did you know? Well, if you haven't known anything about that, how about we just break it down for you then? So, welcome back here in T2 Teaching Tutorials and let's go. Okay, fellas, so let's move on to the first one here is the basic one ya. Sir, kapan sih kita pakai do you and did you? That's the very first thing to learn ya, teman-teman. Nah, apa sih bedanya? Do you know? Do you know? Atau did you know? Well, I already wrote down the tense for you ya. The first one kita punya apa teman-teman? Present simple. And how about the second one? What do we have? Past simple. Well, if you've learned about apa sih present simple ataupun past simple, maybe you already got this one ya teman-teman. But if you haven't known about this one, let me tell you. Present simple itu digunakan as like the name ya, present masa sekarang. But actually it's not literally for masa sekarang aja. So present simple is a tense yang digunakan untuk facts. Okay? And it can be like a habit. Contoh nih, apa sih kebiasaan teman-teman? Nah, you will say that one menggunakan rumus present simple. And let's go move on to the next one first. Past simple, like the name, past, masa lalu. Forget your past everyone ya. Nah, past simple di sini itu tentang masa lalu. So, it can be like the previous activities. Those activities. This in the past. That's the thing that you need to know in the past. That's all, alright? So, let's move on to this one. Contoh nih, Mister udah ngasih tahu teman-teman tentang do you nih. Tinggal teman-teman nambahin aja apa yang mau teman-teman tanyain yang itu berhubungan dengan fakta. Contoh nih, do you smoke? Itu satu. Atau lagi nih, kamu biasanya jogging nggak? Do you jog? Ya, bukan jogging. Verb satu nih ya kan. Jog. Do you jog every morning? Bisa. Atau lagi nih, mungkin ada beberapa teman-teman yang nggak makan daging ya. So, you can put this one. Do you eat meat? Nah, gitu untuk menghargai teman kita ya. Jadi kita tanyain, do you ngapain? Pakai verb 1. And it's all about facts, kalau nggak habits. Kalau nggak fakta ya kebiasaan. Gitu. Nah, the second one here, kita punya past simple yang udah Mister sedia ini. Did you ngapain ya? For the example, let any activities in the past. For the example nih, contoh kemarin teman-teman tidur. Contoh nih bisa aja nih. Did you sleep at 9 p.m? Bisa kayak gitu ya, karena di masa lalu. Atau contoh nih, did you do your homework? Ya, kamu udah ngerjain PR belum? Nah, gitu. Itu bisa kita gunakan did you. Kenapa? Karena kita nanyain activity in the past. Okay, so that's the basic thing. And let's move on to our main topic, itu tentang do you know atau did you know. So, let's move on. The next thing here that I need you to know everyone. Nah, Mister udah sediain nih antara dua. Oke, I want you to guess first. Teman-teman tebak dulu ya. Yang pertama nih, kita punya real questions. Jadi, pertanyaan yang itu bener-bener pengen ditanyain. Kayak contohnya, bla bla bla, do you atau did you, nggak tahu ya. You know where the library is? Atau yang kedua, you know when the party will start? Nah, ada dua tuh, ya kan? Kalau yang satunya ini, question for an intro. Ini bisa aja digunakan buat intro, teman-teman ya. Ini yang mana? You know that I'm Javanese. Dan satunya, you know that Elsie has many branches. Ya, mana yang teman-teman akan pilih? Do you atau did you buat real questions? Coba teman-teman tebak, and I'll give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well, let's break it down. Yang pertama teman-teman ya, when you wanna use real question atau yang benar-benar pengen ditanyain ya about anything, teman-teman akan pakai di sini. Do you? Oke ya, jadi do you itu digunakan ketika pengen nanya sesuatu. And remember, it's gonna be something ya. Jadi do you know apa? Ini biasanya seperti itu. Kita menanyakan informasi. And the second one is still the same. Do you juga? Oh sorry then. Do you know about do you know? Nah, do you know where the library is? Nanyain di mana perpustakaannya. Dan yang kedua nih, do you know when the party start? Kapan pestanya mulai? Ketika itu adalah real questions, teman-teman akan pakai do you. Remember that one. Jadi benar-benar digunakan untuk menanyakan sesuatu. And we need the one more thing, yaitu pasti sisanya ya teman-teman ya. We will use did ya, and I will put the blue one here. So it's gonna be like this one. Did you know? And the next one, did you know? Well, why I write down an intro actually is not about intro. It can be for facts. Jadi juga bisa teman-teman buat apa sih pembukaan. When you wanna open a speech, when you wanna open a video like this one, hey, did you know about? Itu teman-teman akan lebih benar jika teman-teman pakai did you know that I'm Japanese? Well, I'm a real 100% authentic Japanese man. Well, itu did you. Tadi kenapa? Untuk cuma intro ataupun buat ngasih tahu a fact about something, apapun itu. And the second one here, did you know that Elsie has many branches? That's also a fact, you know. Elsie has many branches. Tapi itu cuma sekedar a fake questions atau mungkin bisa kita bilang an intro, just an intro, everyone. Jadi it doesn't need to be answered by any of you. Jadi nggak perlu dijawab teman-teman ya. Just literally, hey, did you know about? Gitu. Cuma buat pembukaan. Jadi keep it in mind, ingat-ingat ya. Apa bedanya? Do you know itu buat real questions, tapi kalau did you know itu hanya cuma fake questions yang biasanya dipakai buat intro dan juga bisa untuk ngasih tahu a fact about something, fakta sesuatu. Itu dia. So now, let's try to do a role play here everyone. So let's say that you're my friend, okay? And I forgot my keys. Aku lupa nih kunciku di mana teman-teman. Well, how can I ask you? Teman-teman, tolong dong kasih tahu Mister, gimana caranya nanya ketika kuncinya hilang. Apakah Mister akan pakai, did you know where my keys are? Atau, do you know where my keys are? Which one? Did you atau do you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. So, teman-teman, ketika itu adalah real questions, especially emergency situation, pasti dong, I need that. I need my keys, you know. So, I will ask you to ask, do you know where my keys are? Pasti pakai yang itu. Kenapa? Karena Mister bener-bener nanya itu. Karena ya bener-bener hilang, guys. Itu do you know. Nah, beda dengan yang ini nih. So, let's try again. Okay, this one. Okay, and the second here, blah, blah, blah. You know that whales can hold their breath for 90 minutes. Nah, tahu nggak sih teman-teman, kalau paus itu bisa nahan napas selama 90 menit. Nah, will I use do or will I use did? Yang mana teman-teman? Paus bisa bisa menahan nafas selama 90 menit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You got it right. Kita akan pakai did you. Kenapa? Well, it's a fact by the way ya. Walaupun teman-teman semua belum tahu tentang itu, but when it comes just to tell a fact, pakai itu. Pakai did you know. Did you know that whales can hold their breath for 90 minutes? Well, jadi itu teman-teman ya. For little summary for you, do you know buat nanya pertanyaan yang benar-benar real questions, tapi kalau did you know cuma buat basa-basi, pembukaan, atau cuma ngasih tahu sebuah fakta. Well, that's all the differences between did you and do you. If you want to learn more, always try to follow us and try to know our new contents in LC channels. Well, that's all everyone. Thank you so much for watching my video and meet you next time. Bye-bye.
Kampung Inggris LC.